Hello there. My name is April May Hernando, but you can call me Teacher April. I am 27 years old and I am from the country of Philippines. All right, okay. I am a licensed professional teacher and I have earned my 4 years bachelor's degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. I have years of experiences in teaching both adults and children. All right, okay. And in my class, I always make sure that it will be engaging and interactive because Teacher April's goal is that you come to my class, you don't just learn, but you also have fun. You are having fun while you are learning, right? Okay, and I will always make sure that at the end of the class it will be productive as it is. Okay? So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now. Book now, and I can't wait to see you soon in my class. Bye bye.